Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Anna just voicing over for Kenedi today, and she's starting off with these gorgeous almond nails that we sell, and we're going to be making a Bambi inspired look. So we're going to start with Friar's robes, coffee liqueur, an antique doll, and we're going to be swiping a line of this all next to each other on a sponge because we're going to be doing some ombre. So this is great if you don't have an airbrush and can't do ombre that way. Kenedi's going to show you some little tips and tricks of how to make it work for you, because sometimes if you just try this on a plain nail, it might be a little bit difficult. So she's got a little technique that'll make it much easier. So you're just going to put a generous line of these next to each other so it doesn't soak in too much to the sponge. And finally just add in antique doll on there as well. Next, take your nail and we're just going to use the sponge and dab on that gel polish. So you're going to move the sponge around because you don't want any harsh lines, you want it to blend together. And this first layer is going to look pretty see-through, and it's because you're working on a shiny background and the gel polish is not going to stick amazingly at this point. So you're going to go in with some crystal clear acrylic powder, and this is how it's going to help you a lot. We're going to pour that onto an uncured gel. And this is how we're going to add a little bit of texture for the gel polish to stick to. So stick that in the lamp for 60 seconds, buff off all the excess, and then we're going to do the whole process again. And as you can see, the colour builds up a lot better with that bit of texture and for something for the gel polish to stick to. So again, pour on that acrylic powder and we're going to stick it in the lamp for 60 seconds before we buff off all of the excess acrylic powder. And just repeat the process again. We're going to keep going until we're happy with the coverage. You can really see the colour building up now. And we're just going to add another layer of acrylic powder here just to add a little bit more texture again. We're going to pop this in the lamp for 60 seconds, buff it all off and do it all again. You can really see this colour blending together really well now. It's really highly pigmented and really smooth. So this layer of acrylic powder is optional, but Kenedi decided to go in with this just to seal it all in, but you don't need to do this because it's the final layer of the ombre if you don't want to. Cue that, buff it all off again, and then we're going to add some top coat. We're just going to seal in all of that gorgeous work we've done and smooth down that texture. Once that's cured, we're going in with Snow White and we're just going to add some markings. So these are going to look like markings that you would see on a deer. So we're just going to add in some irregular, ovally, circly shapes. You don't want these to be all the same size or all the same shape because they won't look natural. Once you're happy with all of your markings, you're going to pop it in the lamp and then we're going to add a top coat. We're going to pop this in the lamp to cure, and next Kenedi is showing us how to do this in a French tip design. So we're going to use Shy Away for the base. This is going to be our nude. It's such a highly pigmented colour, this. You can see it goes on beautifully. We're going to pop that in the lamp for 60 seconds. And we're going to go in with our sponge again. So this time we're just going to focus on the area that the French tip would be, and we're actually doing it in a reverse technique. So we're going to sponge on the gel polish, and then we're going to wipe off the excess where we don't want it with some gel residue remover and a brush. So same as before, we're going in with our crystal clear acrylic on uncured gel and just popping a layer of that on so the next layer sticks a little bit better. And pop that in the lamp to cure. So we're just going in again, wiping off all that excess and sponging on another layer. And you can see it builds up so much quicker with that acrylic powder. So we're going in again with that acrylic powder before we cure it and buff it off. And we're going to go in with another layer again, just doing exactly the same technique over and over till you're happy. It seems like quite a long process, but if you were doing a full set of nails, you'd be doing them all at the same time. It would actually be much, much quicker in theory. And again, just going in with some acrylic powder, making sure it's well covered and curing for 60 seconds. Now we're happy with the coverage, we're going to add some top coat like we did on the last nail after we've buffed off all of that excess acrylic powder. And again, just smooth out all of that texture that we've created. We're going to pop that in the lamp for 60 seconds and just go in with a second coat of top coat. Like I say, we just want to get rid of all of the texture we've created with the acrylic powder. Pop it in the lamp again, and then we're going to use Snow White again, and we're just going to go in and add those markings. So remember, we don't want those shapes to be all the same, we want them all different sizes, different shapes, and we don't want them to be too perfect either. And once you're happy with those markings, we're going to pop it in the lamp for 60 seconds again. And finally, we're just going to add some top coat just to finish it all off and seal it all in. And there we have the final nails. They're so cute. I think Kenedi's done such a good job on these. These are so handy if you don't have an airbrush, or if you just want a simpler way of doing an ombre. It's really, really handy to know that this technique works well. If you want any of the products that we've used today, they'll be linked down below and tagged in the video. We'd love to know what you would like to see us do next, and we hope to see you next time. See you later, guys.